With current cold weather, we are all kind of sick of being cooped up. It's easy to feel cooped up in this type of weather, but don't let that boredom creep in. Today we're sharing fun ways to have some fun this winter, from exciting indoor activities to cool outdoor adventures. There are plenty of ways to carve out some time and enjoy the season. Lisa Stanworth is a travel podcaster who loves exploring with her husband and 5 kids. She joins me for a few fun ways to break out of your comfort zone and have some fun this winter. Lisa, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
This is so fun. I think we are at the point. It's February. We are just kind of sick of being stuck inside.
Yeah.
But with 5 kids, I can't imagine you guys are sitting still for long.
Oh man, that is an understatement. With 5 kids, it's just crazy all the time.
So you have some ways for us that you're going to keep us nice and entertained, is that the word?
Yeah.
To get out of our comfort zone. You're saying all of these are pretty doable. It's not going to be a long time, maybe an afternoon?
I think anytime you can get out of the house, it kind of helps your mental state, right? Mm-hmm. So I think all the ones that I have this time, it kind of, whether it's like a physical or like a mental break, they're just easy ones to do.
And for every mom out there or grandma, thank you. We don't need to commit a whole day. This isn't a road trip. This is just simple things you can do to get out of the house. Some ideas. Let's start with, of course, not everyone loves being outside this time of year. Let's start with some indoor things. First, you're saying one of this one sounds like it's up my alley. This is for someone with a sweet tooth.
Yeah. So Mrs. Kavanaugh's chocolate. So it's in North Salt Lake, and it's fun. It's a family-owned company. So they started it back in the 1960s, and the families just kept owning it ever since then. And so it's just fun. You can take a tour. It's $5. It runs Monday through Friday, and then at the end of the tour, you actually get like a $4 voucher to spend for chocolate. So.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. Who doesn't want to learn about chocolate? Do we need to schedule this in advance? Is this hard to get into?
Yeah, well, you need to schedule it. I scheduled it like the day before.
Oh, okay.
So they will have big groups, but the small groups they can accommodate too.
Do they accommodate all group sizes?
Yeah, our group was pretty small. They actually like made a group for mine, but they actually had huge groups.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm like trying not to drool on my scripts here. What was your kid's favorite thing? What was the highlight?
Do you know, along the way they actually do little taste tests. So they have like ice cream and chocolate.
Cute.
So they loved it.
Okay, and I love that it's a Utah homegrown. Up next, an idea for a fun girls' day.
Yeah.
What's this one?
So this one is for Spa Via Spa. So
Okay.
it's in Sandy, and it's fantastic. I think anytime you can kind of get away.
I was gonna say less.
With your girls, yeah, it's so fun just to be able to go to the spa.
You're saying that this is actually pretty affordable compared to other places.
Yeah, so this place, I mean, it's comparable to other ones, but this one goes in and you like feel like a queen going in. Like they have it all customized. You get to choose your music, your scent, your, like even if you want the people talking to you or not.
Yeah.
Like it's all customizable, which is fun.
Oh, I love that. What treatment would you recommend?
Okay, so there's 2.
Okay.
I think massages are always my favorite.
Yes.
But like the facials there are kind of unbeatable.
The facials. Oh, I love anytime that I can have a massage or like my facial or like someone like to play with your hair and
I
give you
know.
a scalp massage. Why are scalp massages the best thing
good.
ever? Us as women, we're like, we need more.
Yeah.
Okay, and up next for the outdoor enthusiasts, you're saying take a hike.
Yeah. So this was my first year that I've done winter hikes, and I've fallen in love with them.
Oh.
They are so much fun. Like just going to a waterfall, being out in nature, getting away from the inversion. It's so nice just to be able to go and breathe fresh air.
I love it. And I mean, these pictures speak for themselves. Look how gorgeous. Isn't there something about snow though? Just like covers the earth and makes it feel so pretty again.
Yeah.
I love that. So this hike is actually in Sandy, but are there other waterfall hikes that you recommend?
Yeah, so Donut Falls is always a favorite. You do have to watch for like avalanche warnings with all of these, and there's no one on the trails. Like it is quiet. It's pretty amazing. So Donut Falls, and then the one I'm doing this week is Battle Creek.
Oh, cool. And do you need spikes or anything for these?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, make sure you have spikes in your shoes. Don't forget that recommendation. Next time you're saying it's the perfect time to head down to Zion's National Park.
Yeah, I think for Utahns, we kind of have that like benefit that we can kind of head down there anytime.
Anytime.
So this one, it beats the crowds. The weather is ideal for hiking right now. And all the hikes are open that you can do, so.
Great, all hikes are open, shuttles are running.
Shuttles don't run right now, actually.
Okay.
So you're driving, so you have to watch for like parking and stuff like that, but it's pretty doable, and it's so nice just to get out there.
I love that you took your kiddos. Is there anything we need to like remember to be prepared for when we're down there? Anything like that?
So, I mean, you do have to worry about, I mean, the crowds are pretty, like, they can be a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
So get there early in the morning. We were there pretty early, and then just kind of, you do have to have like a permit for some of them, like Angel's Landing and stuff still. But just have fun, bring water.
Yeah, just go down, get your normal hiking essentials. This last pick, I actually went and did the research for you.
Yes.
It was my pleasure because I took my boys. We're talking about the Ogden Treehouse Museum. They loved it. I should have spent way longer there. This is my cutie 3-year-old Jones. They had so many fun like STEM projects and activities. He loved putting the ball in this machine and it just popped out with all the air. There's so many new things, and I was really worried. I think this time of year you're worried about germs. It was so clean.
Oh, good.
Everybody was walking around. There was lots of people cleaning and sanitizing. I mean, there's so many things for your kids to go and explore. And again, this was an afternoon, so it wasn't bad. There wasn't a lot of people there. This was really cool. It's a mirror with like pictures underneath it, and as you turn, it made this video, and my son, my 7-year-old, he loved it. He thought it was so fun. So many fun things to do. Treehouse Museum is my recommendation.
Perfect.
Thanks for letting me do that. Ticket pricing ranges from $6 to $12. They have memberships and all the things. But Lisa, these were so good. You have another adventure planned this month?
Do you know, right now my plan is to kind of lay low.
Good for you. Good for you. 5 kids, lay low.
Morocco, and it's been busy.
Okay, go ahead. Lisa, you have a giveaway happening right now. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so with my podcast, it's Choose Your Happy Place. I just released my 100th episode this week.
Good, congratulations.
And so all month on Instagram, I'm doing giveaways. So the one that people will be able to enter right now is for a facial for Spavia Spa.
Well, recommendation and a giveaway. Sounds good. Where can we follow along?
So Choose Your Happy Place on Instagram and Choose Your Happy Place for my podcast.
So fun. Thanks so much, Lisa.
Thank you.